movie in bed. Yay! So,
matching.
See, we bought it from 2 different parts of the world. Great minds think alike. I just dropped my jumper. At Moore Park Entertainment Quarters, there's a panda bear, and we walked all the way through and realised that the movie was on top of the car park that we parked at. So, yeah, we're on our way with our matching hats. I hear copyright music. This looks so dodgy. It's at a parking lot. Our new friend there that we made in the elevator that Michelle made. It's in the car park. Like, this is legit car park. So, yeah, it'll be good. What do you think it'll be? He said it's cute.
I reckon it'll be cute. Like,
It'll be cute?
Come in.
Yeah. Well, can we hold him against his word? Is it cute? There's a container ship too. Let's go. Check it out. Such a cool entryway. Such a cool entryway. Oh wow, cute. Are you going to sit? I don't know. Do you want the side? Do you want the middle? This is cute. Thanks, Michelle. Look at this one. I don't know, but this place is going to be super cute. They even got fake rice. And food. And a big ass screen. I think there's like numbers on the side of the bed. Maybe that hats or something? Yeah. Yeah.
Where do you want to go? I don't know.
I don't know. Should we just do here? It looks like pretty good. Yeah. So, oh my gosh, it's room number 2. Yes. Oh,
Wait, does this have
this is the black. Ciao. Look at, oh wow. This is hella cute. Got the glow. So how long do we have?
like an hour 10 before it starts?
An hour 10 before it starts. Look at the bed though. Wow. Popcorn? Popcorn and rosé. Apparently free refill, so people taking photos. Get it. So we've realised the cube lights and it's amazing. We got the sunset. We finished the movie and now we're running down the stairs because we didn't want to wait for the lift. Oh yeah. Hi. What are you doing? Are you helping me fold? I've cut these Woolworth training pads in half and I stacked them up. They last around 3-4 days, and I put this recycled kitty litter for rabbits. Hi. Hello. So that's what I use, and she's interested in me not to help me cut and fold these, but for this pet food, because I give them as treats, not as meals. So that's why she loves eating her pellets, because we only give you guys a teeny tiny amount, so it's like McDonald's for you, but it's not, because it has all the vitamins and stuff you need. Bye. The cage is actually open from that side. Hi. She will come back. Oh, there she is. Hi. Are you here to help me? Hello. Are you here to help me, you dirty bum? She's got a dirty bum at the moment. because she was playing and then she slipped and then she peed and then she accidentally sat in a pee. So she's been cleaning herself profusely all day. It's getting cleaner. Just gave her a little bit of tissue and water wipe down, but we'll get there eventually. Betsy! Snoopy is loving her fresh hay. They love sticking their head in it. The reason why they're putting their head all the way in is I put the new hay in and then I turn the hay so the new hay is at the bottom. But they're smart, they can smell. So that's why she's digging right in there. Oh, you're a cutie. Nom nom nom. Good evening, sweet cheeks. Kisses to everybody on YouTube. Please comment, like, and subscribe so you get more Snoopy kisses. Oh, so adorable. I could watch them eat all day. She looks like she's in jail, like she's confined. Like a beast! Like a beast, you quaker. Oh, hey Tiger. Hey Betsy. But then if we walk around this way. Hi! You have full freedom. What are you doing? Kisses! You have full freedom, sweetie. She was there, but like, silly. Kiss! Finally nighttime. And she is eating. Dun dun. So adorable. Hello. You pooped everywhere again. Your toilet is right there. You pooped everywhere. You need to stop marking your territory. Look at you. And look at. Hey, Betsy. Oh, look at your big mouth. She's so chill. Good evening, Snoopy. Hello. Hello. Get a cute toes. Oh, what is she doing? Such a fussy eater. Hey, hey, my quaker and my koala bear. Oh my gosh, sweetie. I know. Your ear is in the water, Betsy. It's not the smartest way to sleep. Or is it just hovering? Hey? Are you okay there, Baba? Just gonna sleep like that.
Hey guys, me and Emily are in a debate with our other flatmate. So this is the KitKat that I always eat. The chunky, the elite KitKat.
The elite KitKat.
So we eat the chocolate around and then we eat the middle bit.
It's like the Khloe Kardashian way, but it's easier.
Yes, so I had the elite KitKat. Oh, my nails. Oh my god, that's so bad. And Emily had the like bar one with like the thin ones that you can break off.
The share pack, I guess. The normal,
Yeah.
smaller for
So
bros.
I had mine in the fridge next to Emily's, and Emily said to our flatmate that he can have the KitKat.
Because he's like, ooh, there's a KitKat. Whose KitKat is it? I didn't know that there was 2 KitKats in there.
Which is fine.
Yeah.
Whatever. But it's just funny. So he doesn't agree that this is the elite KitKat. He thinks KitKats are KitKats and they're the same thing.
Yeah.
But we're in a disagreement because this is the better KitKat. Anyways, he ends up eating my KitKat. So obviously he knows that it's the elite KitKat because he chose the better KitKat. If he thought that KitKats were KitKats, he would have chosen the shittier KitKat.
Yeah, the one that was closer to him.
So, moral of the story is he owes me a KitKat, but he's in denial. And yeah, we're in housemate feud at the moment. Girls versus boys.
Yeah, it's a broken household, broken family.
Yeah. We need help to settle this agreement.
Will we have to go to family counselling?
Yeah.
Would it be family counselling?
Yeah.
Marriage counselling? I don't know.
Or we can just buy both of us a KitKat, or just give us a cash payment with
Interest,
yeah, compensation fees for all this drama.
taxes,
Yeah.
lawyer fees.
Anyways.
But there's a distinct difference. Like,
There is. Because if you eat the chocolate around this before you eat the middle, it's like more chocolate. Rather than the thin one, there's not really chocolate, so you can't really eat around it.
which is more wafer, which
I feel like not many people eat KitKats that way. You guys are probably like, the frick? We eat it normally, but you know,
that looks like a candy bar. It looks like an American candy bar, and the other one is flat. It's thin. Yeah, there's 2. One to replace the first one. The second one for the emotional damage that was caused.
yeah. Yeah. Peace.
Got ice cream. Going to Baskin Robbins to get some ice cream. Cheers, bitches. Now for the cinema. They're renovating. Time to get some candy. Look at these. I like the theme here. Oh wow, they even sold phone cases. Yum. Yeah.
Acquired Vodafone $5 roaming. Now you can use your plan overseas in 80 countries for just $5 extra a day.
Ice cream.
Get that feeling. Click, call, or come in store.